Shalom! I'm so glad you're here to create Jewish art with me. I'm going to show you how to celebrate Yom Ha'atzmaut by making a door tag of a Israeli Falafel Pita. On a different video, I'll show you how to use a piece of plain printer paper to cut out this door tag. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to draw such a pita. All you need is something to draw with and a piece of paper. I'm going to use a Sharpie so that you see my drawing, but you can feel free to use a pencil and eraser so you can change as you go. I'm going to start by drawing the top of the cut edge of the pita, and then I'm going to draw a semicircle for the bottom. Now, because this is a pita and it's a piece of bread, I don't want to make it too perfect, so if you wiggle your marker just a little bit, it will make it look more realistic. Now I'm going to draw the falafel. The falafel is a circle, and I'm just going to draw the top half showing. Like this. One on the other side. And for the third one in the middle, I'm going to leave some space to put some tahini sauce later. So I'm only going to draw part of it, leave a space, and draw the other part. And I'm not going to draw the whole way because then you would see it through this falafel, which is in front. I'm going to stop so it looks like this middle falafel is behind this one. Well done. I'm going to draw a piece of tomato. I'm going to draw a triangle, another one, and another. I'm going to make a semicircle above them all. I'm going to draw a pickle, another semicircle, and some dots in a circle. What about a piece of lettuce? A wavy line, and another piece of lettuce. A wavy line. Great! And I can't forget my tahini sauce. Fantastic. Now you could stop there and leave it black and white, or you could go on and color it in. You can use any colors you want. And now I've colored in my pita. I'm going to add a few little lines to show where it was cooked and give it some more details. And now for my falafel. The tahini sauce is white. It's so delicious. So I'm going to leave that space uncolored. Now some people like different toppings, and you should go on ahead and make yours the way you like it. And if you've never had an Israeli falafel in a pita, I really hope you get a chance to try one soon. It's delicious. My pickle. Now if you're doing things with a lot of green next to each other, you want to make sure to use different kinds of markers, different shades of green, so you can see the difference between your pickle and your piece of lettuce. And if you have a pink, you could use that for part of the tomato. Fantastic! That looks pretty delicious to me. I hope you have a great day celebrating Yom Ha'atzmaut and you learn to draw a pita. Thanks for creating Jewish art with me. I hope you enjoyed it.